Hey guys, welcome back to the Cresta Chronicles, the student success stories. Today we have Pruthvi.
Hi Srinidhi, it's my pleasure to be here and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
So Pruthvi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. So we'll just get back on how did you get to know Cresta, what made you join Cresta, what is the one aspect that you found the spark in the Cresta college?
Okay, I was just browsing on the internet, seeing what are the degree colleges available in Mysore, and I visited almost every colleges where I had where BCA was available, and when I just saw the infrastructure of Cresta, I just fell off for that. So that made me join Cresta and the course which they offer. I'm studying BCA Cloud Computing and Data Science.
Okay.
So that is why I liked Cresta and I enjoyed that.
Okay. So why did you specifically choose BCA? Was it in your goal for a long time?
Actually my goal was robotic engineering, but I had some issues in my PUC and I wasn't able to get in the CET. So I just chose BCA because I love computer applications and specifically cloud because nowadays people are dependent on clouds.
Right.
No one is using some physical devices like hard disks or something. Everyone are dependent on clouds and due to its advantages. So I preferred cloud computing. It may be helpful for my future.
Right. Very nice. So, culture being one of the important part of college, how do you think Cresta's culture sets apart from other colleges?
No, actually, these many years I have been studying in so many colleges or schools, I haven't found one like Cresta. Because here we give, they give importance for both studies, academics, and even cultures. So I love Cresta because, they're balancing everything.
Right.
And I'm actually taking part in fests or something like that.
Oh, okay, nice. So speaking about fest, I strongly believe that is the most fun part of college life.
Yeah, true.
So what are some of the fests which you have participated in?
I have participated in technical fest, that's it, because I have been a newbie here, so
okay.
I just got that.
So what do you think of the faculties? How are they?
The faculties are literally so good.
Okay.
See, I was studying even in my high school and my PUC, I just felt when will I go home? But now I feel like staying here because their way of teaching is attractive.
Okay.
I love my teachers actually. Their way of teaching, the way they teach, the interaction between the teachers and the students, that's so nice actually. I feel like staying here itself. It gives me a homely atmosphere.
Okay. So I strongly believe young minds are much better for understanding, and I think that's what is happening in
Yeah, truly.
Right?
And even they should feel like they are friends.
Right.
Then the interaction will be so great.
Right. Very nice. So how do you plan to grow your skills which you take from Cresta when moving forward?
Actually, I'm not that ranked student, but when I joined Cresta, I don't know, I have so much of interest on studies. I just want to keep my grades on track. I just want it to be high. I just want a nice placement from our college.
Okay. So what is that one spark which you see in Cresta for yourself?
No, actually, to be very honest, I don't like studies.
Oh.
But when I just came to Cresta, I don't know, I feel like studying a lot. That's the main spark actually. And about the campus placements, I just want to get in a good job.
But right, so how did you change yourself? You said you're not a bookworm or
maybe interest was the subject. I love computer applications.
Okay.
Interest was the subject and the way the teachers teach. Okay, I just love that. So that made me the subjects more interesting.
So it's all about how the teachers can.
Yeah, it's everything about the teachers actually.
Okay.
And me myself who made up my mind to study.
Very nice, very nice. What is that one memorable memory which you have in college?
One memorable memory is obviously the freshers day.
Okay.
I love that day actually. That's the day for us. So that's why I just love that.
You mean the celebration?
Yeah, the celebrations, the enjoyment, the happiness.
Right. So what other aspects of Cresta is more highlighting to you?
So specifically the expert talk. See, our college members are trying the best to get people from other places and educate us. See, they are gonna bring some expert in front of us. They are gonna give a speech.
Right.
So that's actually nice. We get knowledge about everything what's going outside the world. And there have been even maybe pass-outs from Cresta itself. I just met one or two pass-outs from Cresta, and that's so nice because I haven't experienced that until now except in Cresta.
Right. I think alumni are the very big pillars for any college. I think the more you mingle with alumni, the better you will get to understand.
That's true. Right. We get more knowledge from them.
Right. So thank you, Pruthvi. That was a very smooth one. That was a very good conversation with you.
Thank you. I have to thank you for having me here.
Great. It was a pleasure. Looking forward for a lot more conversation.
Thank you.